Hi students, today we are going to take a new chapter, chapter 6 Money. In India, we use currency notes and coins when we buy or sell something. We write the rupees by the symbol. This is the symbol of rupees and paise is written by the letter P. So the rupees is written by the symbol of this and the paise is written by P. Indian coins. There are different coins used in India. We use the coins are 50 paise coin, then 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coins. These coins are used in our country. Indian currency notes are 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 500 rupee note and 2000 rupee note. Then our next heading is writing rupees and paise in words. If you have 5 rupees and 50 paise, how we can written in numbers? Then it is written as, first we write the symbol of rupees, then write 5. That means it is 5 rupee. Then put the dot and second place write the paise. That is, it is read as 5 rupee 50 paise. In between there is a dot. Okay, this dot is used to separate the rupees and paise. The dot is used to separate the rupees and paise. The numbers on the right side of the dot. That means the numbers on the right side of the dot. This is our dot. The right side of the numbers on the dot paise. Okay, the right side is paise and the left side is denoted by rupees. So it is written as first we write rupee symbol, then write the value 5 rupees. So it is read as 5 rupee. Then put the dot. After the dot, this number is written because it is 50 paise. So after the dot, written number is known as paise, and before the dot, the number is known as rupees. So it is read as 5 rupee 50 paise. Then exercise 6.1. Fill in the boxes with the value of the following coins. So the first coin, this is our which paise? Yes, it is 50 paise. So first we write the number 50. Then after we put the symbol of paise P. So first is 50 paise. So then our second number is, put the symbol. The symbol is paise or rupees. Yes, it is the symbol of rupees. Then the number is 1. So in writing the rupees, first we write the symbol of rupees. Then after write the number. So it is known as 1 rupee. Okay. Then writing the paise, first we write the number. Then after that we have to write the symbol P. In the case of rupees, first we put the symbol of rupees. Then after that we have to write the number. So it is rupees 1 or 1 rupee. Then third problem also written, it is a rupee. So first we write rupees letter. Then after that we have to write the number 2. So it is 2 rupee. Then in the case of last problem, first we write, it is also rupees. First we write the symbol of rupees. Then after that we have to write the number 5. So it is 50 paise, 1 rupee, 2 rupee and 5 rupee. Then our second section, write the values of the following notes. Then first note. Then how many rupees here? 20. So first we put the symbol of rupees. Then after that write the number. So it is 20 rupee. Then this is how many rupee? Yes, it is 5 rupees. So first we put the symbol of rupees. After that we have to write the number 5. Then the third is the rupees. Yes, 10 rupees. So first we write the symbol of rupees. Then write 10. Then next is how many rupees? Yes, it is 100 rupees. So first we write the symbol of rupees. After that we have to write the number 100. The next is how many rupees? It is 50 rupees. So first we put the symbol of rupees. Then after that we have to write the number. So it is 50 rupee. Then this is how many rupee? Yes, it is 500 rupees. So first we write, yes, symbol, rupee symbol. After that we have to write the number 500. So it is 500 rupee. Then this is how many rupee? Yes, it is 2000 rupee. So first we write the symbol of rupees. After that we have to write the number 2000. Then our third section, write the following in words. Then first problem, given one example for you. It is read as 8 rupee 50 paise. So we written as 8 rupee 50 paise. Okay, then our second problem, first given the symbol of rupees. After that write the number 10, then put the dot. After that 2 zeros. So it is how many rupee? Yes, the dot before the number is rupees and the dot after the number is paise. So it is how many rupee? Yes, it is 10 rupee because after the dot there is no value. It is the 0. So it is written as 10 rupee. Rupees. Then C problem. First given the symbol of rupees, then the number is 70. Put the dot, then 50. Before the dot it is read as 70 rupee. After the dot it is read as 50 paise. So we written as 70 rupees 50 paise. Okay, then fourth problem. Before the dot the number is 32. So it is 32 rupee. After the dot the number is 50. So after the dot it is known as paise. So this rupee is 32 rupees 50 paise. Okay, then the last and final problem. Before the dot the number is 1. So it is 1 rupee. Then after the dot the number is 0. So there is no value. So it is read as 1 rupee. Then our next heading is exchanging money. Here are some ways in which we can exchanging 5 rupee coin. Okay, then our first example, 5 rupee coin here. Then how we can exchange 5 rupee? Yes, the 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so the 5 rupee is taking as 5 1 rupee coin. Okay, then second way, exchanging 5 rupee coins are taking 50 paise. So we know that 150 paise together as 100 paise. 100 paise equal how many rupee? Yes, 100 paise equal 1 rupee. So this is 1 rupee. Again 50 paise equal 100 paise. So again it is 1 rupee. Then 50 paise plus 50 paise 100 paise. So again it is 1 rupee. 50 paise plus 50 paise 100 paise equal 1 rupee. Then 50 paise plus 50 paise, it is 100 paise, 1 rupee. So 250 paise together as 1 rupee. So this is 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee, 4 rupee and 5 rupee. Okay, then third exchanging money of 5 rupee. Then how we can take 5 rupees in different ways? Yes, 1 2 rupee, then again 2 rupee. That means 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equal 4. Then 4 plus 1 rupee. 4 plus 1 rupee coin equal 5 rupees. So 5 rupees again exchanging as 2 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. Then next way, 1 rupee coin, then 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin. That means 3 rupees. Then adding 2 rupee coin. That means 3 1 rupee and 1 2 rupee. It is 5 rupee. Then last way of exchanging 5 rupee as 50 paise, 50 paise. So 2 50 paises together it is, yes, 1 rupee. Then 1 rupee again taking 1 rupee. 1 rupee plus 1 rupee, 2 rupee. Then 2 rupee plus 1 rupee, 3 rupee. Then 3 plus 2 rupee equal 5 rupee. So taking 2 50 paise, then 2 1 rupee and 1 2 rupees taking as 5 rupee. Then our next heading is exercise 6.2. Write the total of the coins in rupees and paise. One has been done for you. Then our first column is coins and our second column is exchange amount. Okay. Then first column 150 paise, then 250 paise, 350 paise, 450 paise and 550 paise. So how many rupees is? Then 250 paise is 1 rupee. then again 250 paise as 2 rupee, again 250 paise as 1 rupee, then 1 balance 50 paise. Okay, then 1 plus 1 equal 2, then 2 plus 50 paise equal 2 rupee 50 paise. Okay, then our second problem, it is the coin of 5 rupee. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 equal 10. 10 plus 5 equal 15. 15 plus 5 equal 20. 20 plus 5 equal 25. So it is 25 rupee. Okay. Then our third problem, 1 rupee, then 1 rupee. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So it is 5 rupee. The next is 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. 14 plus 2 equal 16. So it is written rupees 16. Okay. Then our last problem, 50 paise, then 50 paise. So 250 paise together as 1 rupee. Then these 250 paise is considered as again 1 rupee. These 250 paise is considered as 1 rupee. And these 250 paise as 1 rupee. So 1 plus 1 equal 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3. 3 plus 1 equal 4. So it is how many rupee? Yes, it is 4 rupee. Then second section, which coins will you use to buy the things in column A? Write your answers in column B. Choose the coins from those given in the box. You can use a coin more than once. Okay, you can use a coin more than once. More than one answer is possible. Okay. Then first column A, rupees 5. How we can exchange the rupees of 5? Yes, we can take 5 1 rupee coin. Yes, 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 5 rupee. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So the 5 rupee can be exchanged into 5 1 rupee. Then the next way of exchanging the 5 rupee as taking 2 rupees together. Yes, 2 plus 2 equal 4, then 1 rupee. Then 2 plus 2 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5. Okay, then another way of exchanging the 5 rupee, yes, it is 2 plus 1, 3, then 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, so it is 5 rupee. Okay, then next way of expressing the 5 rupees as taking 250 paise. So it is 1 rupee. Then 2 rupee. Then again 1 rupee. It is 3 rupee. Then 2 rupee. 3 plus 2 equal 5 rupee. 250 paise as 1 rupee. Then again 1 rupee. 2 rupee. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 2 equal 5 rupee. Okay. Then so many ways we can exchanging the rupees. Then our next is 8 rupee 50 paise. How we can exchanging 8 rupee in 50 paise? First we take 2 rupee coin. Again 2 rupee coin. Then again 2 rupee coin. So 2 plus 2 equal 4. 4 plus 2 equal 6. Then 1 rupee coin. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. Then 150 paise. So it is 8 rupee 50 paise. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 4 plus 2 equal 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. Then 8 50 paise. Then another way of expressing the 8 rupee 50 paise. Taking 2 rupee coin. 2 plus 2 equal 4. 4 plus 1 5. 5 plus 1 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 7 plus 1 8. Then 8 rupee. Then put 50 paise. So it is 8 rupee 50 paise. Okay. Then our next problem, 15 rupees 50 paise. First we take 10 rupee coin. Then 5 rupee coin. 10 plus 5 equal 15. Then put 50 paise. So it is 15 rupee 50 paise. Okay, then another way of expressing 15 rupees 50 paise as, take 1 10 coin, then 1 2 coin, then again 1 2 coin. So it is 2 plus 2 4, 10 plus 4 14, then 1 rupee coin, then it is 15, then put 150 paise. So it is 15 rupee 50 paise. Okay, then so many ways we can use exchanging these rupees using coins. The next is 10 rupee coin. Simple, it is 10 rupee coin. Otherwise we have to take 1 5 rupee coin, then 1 rupee 6 rupee, 6 plus 2 rupee 8 rupee, then 8 plus 2 equal 10 rupee. Another way of expressing the 10 rupee as 5 plus 1 6 rupee, then 6 plus 1 7 rupee, 7 plus 1 8 rupee, 8 plus 1 9 rupee, then 9 plus 1 10 rupee. Okay, the next is expressing 7 rupee. First we take the 5 rupee coin, then take 1 rupee, then again 1 rupee. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7. Another way of expressing the 7 rupee as taking 1 5 rupee coin and again 1 2 rupee coin. So 5 plus 2 equal 7 rupee. Then another way of expressing the 7 rupee as 1 2 3 4 5, then 2 rupee coin. Okay, then 5 1 rupee coin and 1 2 rupee coin, it is 7 rupee. Then our next is 12 rupee. Expressing the 12 rupee, first we take 1 10 rupee coin, then 1 rupee 1 coin, again 1 rupee 1 coin, then 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 1 12. Another way of expressing the 12 rupee as 1 10 rupee coin and 1 2 rupee coin. Okay, then another way of expressing the 12 rupees as, first taking 1 rupee coin, then taking, first we put 1 5 rupee coin, then 6 7 8 9 10 and put 1 2 rupee coin. Okay, then 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 2 equal 12. Okay children, all of you understood how we can exchange the rupees in different ways? Yes. Then our next heading is converting rupees to paise. We already learned 1 rupee equal how many paise? Yes, 1 rupee equal 100 paise. 250 paise together as 100 paise. So 100 paise is considered as 1 rupee. The same way 5 rupee. 5 rupee is considered as 500 paise. Okay. 5 multiplied by 100 paise equal 500 paise. You just write the number 5. Then after that put 20. Then put P. So 5 rupee equal 500 paise. Then exercise 6.3, convert rupees into paise. So 2 rupees. So 2 rupee equal, first we write the number 2. After that we have to put 20. So 2 rupee equal 200 paise. Okay. Then 6 rupee. 6 rupee equal how many paise? Yes, first we write the number 6. After that we have to write 20. 6 rupee equal 600 paise. Then 3 rupee equal how many paise? Yes, first we write the number 3. After that we have to put 20. So 3 rupee equal 300 paise. 7 rupee equal 700 paise. 9 rupee equal 900 paise. 4 rupee equal, first we write the number 4. After that we have to put 20. So 4 rupee equal 400 paise. Then 8 rupee equal 800 paise. Okay children, this is our last class for this academic year. Then thank you all of you. Bye.